and I put my big one on these hoes, damn. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, no. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed, grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.
What's good with y'all boys, man? We back with another banger, man. Today we got as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, it's rainy outside. So I'm like, shit, rainy POV. Right now we at the tire shop, my nigga. If y'all know me, I gotta go to the tire shop every day till I get a new tire, bro. I just been, you know what I'm saying, putting that shit off. But y'all see that tire, the one that's on 12, they got a slow leak in it. So yeah, I just been having to, I ain't gonna lie, I just been thugging. This shit every day. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Shit, y'all, I know how to do this shit by heart. Nigga, like, I'm gonna try to put that bitch on like 35. Remember I told y'all I was aiming for, oh shit. I told y'all I was aiming for 35. Let's see what I put that bitch on. Hold on. Damn. All right, I told y'all 35. That bitch on 37. So, fuck it. But it's a rainy POV, but we is going sport. Hell yeah, we going sport. And I'm gonna get a new steering wheel soon. Cause this steering wheel is so ass. I want the. I've been seeing everybody with the LED ones. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get that one. They got like the LEDs on the top and shit. But yeah, man. Yeah, this a POV in my CATLESS 5.7. Feel me? Here go a tunnel right here. Bro, people, whenever I do that, like, if somebody in front of me, they always look back. Yeah, I just slid that little corner for y'all. I should have turned the traction off and did it. Maybe would have got active. But it smells like straight gas right now. Y'all hear the way the exhaust be snapping, bro? Like, that's my favorite part, like, of going CATLESS. Like, just the way that the exhaust snap, bro, that should be so beautiful. All right, we gotta bust this little right ski right here. I'm letting in all water in this bitch. Hold on. Let me, I'm gonna just lift it up a little bit. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, we have to beat this light. It was over for stopping at that light. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Bro, listen, if y'all in Michigan and like y'all on like the side closest to Detroit, cause I ain't gonna lie, I want to collab with a bunch of like smaller YouTubers and shit. So if y'all in Michigan, y'all like on the side that's closest to Detroit, so like the east side of Michigan, like definitely tap in with me because I want to do more content. Cause like I don't got a lot of people to do car content with. So if you on this side of Michigan, like on the east side. Cause like I'm from Flint, so if you on the east side, like let's do content. You know what I'm saying? Even if you on the west side, that's cool. We could do content, but you gotta come to me. I'm not driving all the way over there, like Grand Rapids and all that. I'm not driving over there. I'm about to buy my first tune, but I mean y'all should already know, like just by me telling y'all that. You know what I'm saying, y'all should already know what tune it is down there, because everybody got that bitch now. But yeah, I'm about to fuck it. I'm about to buy the Burble tune. So definitely subscribe for that. You know what I'm saying? Like CATLESS off the Burble tune, that's gonna be insane. Y'all heard that downshift? I can't even like trip or nothing. Like I ain't gonna do too much either way, but I can't do shit right now. Shit's hella cars and shit. Yeah, is that the boys behind me? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The boys behind me. Damn, bro. Yeah, it's an Explorer behind me. Like, they ain't like right behind me, but they like a couple cars back. I should be straight though. Yeah, them niggas for sure back there. He probably think I don't even see his ass, but I'm watching my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, bro. I do not want to. I don't feel like being pulled over or no shit. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, get some content for the, you know? He just tried to, like, you know what I'm saying, like, get away from that nigga a little bit, because he is in traffic. Like, you ain't gonna be able to see him through like the rear view, but he is in a little bit of traffic back there, so we should be straight. But the police be hot as fuck out here. Look, this is a police station right here. Like, bro, these niggas, I swear, bro, I get pulled over out here like literally every couple days. Look, there go another one of them niggas right there, bro. What the fuck? Like, these niggas out. I be having to put the camera down when I drive past them niggas, because they will pull you over for, you know what I'm saying, having your phone in your hand. Like, bro, I'm done getting pulled over. I'm done with tickets. I don't even be getting tickets. I just be getting pulled over. I don't be like getting no speeding tickets or nothing. I just be getting pulled over. I'm done with getting pulled over, bro. That shit not about to keep happening. But we is almost at our destination, my nigga, the stove. I got pulled over right here for doing this. Yeah, bro, we is almost at our destination, so I'm about to go ahead and end the POV off right here, man. This is a short little POV, just because it was raining and shit. So, you know what I'm saying, I don't think I did like no real rainy POV. Like, it's actually raining today, so. Yeah, man, if you haven't already subscribed, I'm about to pull into the little parking lot right now. So, like the video, comment if you haven't already, you know what I'm saying, subscribe if you haven't already. We trying to go up. You know what I'm saying, this summer I'm making all content. I'm making all banger videos. Burble tune coming soon. Give me like, I'll probably get it like this weekend or something. So stay tuned for that video, man. But like, comment, subscribe if you new, and I'm out, bro.